What's so funny, TSM?
You know what it is precisely. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. The queen on the scene day and night. I hit that subscribe and I gotta hit that like. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. Yeah, that like, share, subscribe. Yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen, it's the Pisces. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. So today's video, it is part 2 of my hair, my wig review. And the wig that I review, if you haven't seen part 1, it will be below in the description box, as well as a part 3 will come along the week later of the makeup look. So the wig that I am reviewing is this one right here. It is a 26-inch, 150 density lace frontal wig. I forgot what kind of hair it is. I wrote it down somewhere. And I still forgot what type of hair it is. I want to say it's the kinky straight. Kinky something. The texture of the hair is like my hair, but better, thicker. My hair is thin, so this is why I wear wigs and weaves, because I have thin hair. It's down to my back. I mean, it's down to my shoulders, but I don't like my own hair, so I usually wear wigs. And another reason why I wear wigs is because I like to change my style constantly. I don't like to stay the same. I don't like to be boring. I like to wear this different styles almost every week. Almost every week I change my wig. So this is my current one, and I dyed it. I really want it to be a copper color, but when I dyed it the first time, if you didn't see, it did not come out good because I was being lazy. And so I have bought some more on Amazon, and I bought the copper red. So this is how it's looking. I still like it because the ends of my own hair is about this color or darker. So I still like it. So today I am going to install this wig and style it, of course. And then part 3 would be the makeup look that I chose to go with this hair, which I have to wait to do probably Friday or Saturday, because I want to get my eyebrows done before I do that makeup look. So, but this is the look. I mean, this is the wig. She's so flowy. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah. Okay. So let's get into that. So I'm going to spray paint the lace with the tint. But before I do that, I'm going to see if it'll be okay with it being this color, because when I did the water dye, then I dyed my lace on accident. So I will first see if it will match with my skin, even though, you know, it's the color of the hair. We will see. It smells so good. I don't know. You're supposed to wash your wig. When you first get your wig, you're supposed to wash it. In case you did not know, I always get the instructions. I never really read them because I just wash it anyway. 1, because I don't know who touched it, and 2, because of COVID. I started definitely washing my wigs at least twice. So they said the reason why you're supposed to wash it because they spray it with disinfectant spray. I am not finna. Why? I know how to say that word. I can't say it right now because I'm on camera. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on in fast speed. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm going to put it on. And if you have any questions, or I can't give you a tutorial because I'm not a professional at putting my wigs on. I still struggle with putting my wigs on because 1, I can't see without my glasses, and 2, I still don't know how to cut the lace part right here on the ears properly. It still be on my ear, and every day I have to go in and cut a little bit off and not cut my ear. So yeah. So we're going to do this and fast forward and come back and tell you what I think about the wig, which I already know I love it because this is like my third one. Yeah, but this is the longest one I've ever had. So, all right.
I feel your presence on my skin. I feel you spreading out within. This time you got a hold on me. 'Cause now I look at you differently. Don't say I realized too late. Don't say you wanna give me space. Ooh, this time you got a hold on me. 'Cause now I look at you differently. anymore. One sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Yeah. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
If you have made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. This is part 2, and I don't know why I never put an end to my videos when I'm doing parts. Like, I'd be like, what? But anyways, I did not. So this is my thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. Look at that hair. Oh my God. I am so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. I just love me so much. I don't know. How can you not love me? Because I love me so much. Oh my God. Oh my God. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna.
What's so funny, TSM?
You know what it is precisely. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. The queen on the scene day and night. I hit that subscribe and I gotta hit that like. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. Yeah, yeah. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah. Hit that like, share, subscribe.